First of all, go to the Selection tab and choose the Lasso tool. Next, go to the Selection tab, choose Modify and select 10. Now press Ctrl+J to make a copy of the selected area. After that, go to the Filter tab, then open the Blur gallery. From there, select Spin Blur. Place the Spin Blur circle over the selected area. Drag the blur handle upward or downward to control the speed and direction of the spin. Adjust the turbine effect until it looks natural. Once satisfied, press OK. Now, you can see the spinning turbine effect applied to your image.